Hello everyone, my name is Marian Oliveros, and on this video, I will show you how to clean your microwave. So first, we need to gather all the materials needed. We need a cloth, 1 cup of water, a microwave container, a spoon, baking soda, and a sponge. So first, you need to put a 2 tablespoons of baking powder into the bowl. Okay. After putting 2 tablespoons of baking powder, you mix a 1 cup of water. And then mix it to create a paste. After mixing it, plug your microwave and then put it inside and timer for about 5 minutes. So let's wait. After 5 minutes, leave your microwave closed for a few minutes to let the steam condensate. Then, after the few minutes, open it. Get the bowl using your cloth since it's hot. Using your sponge, your wet sponge, clean the surface, clean the interior, remove the cylinder and the ring. So make sure you clean all the area using your sponge. Okay. Then use the cloth to wipe the excess dirt. So it's simple as that. This one, okay, using the water with baking soda, dump your sponge. Clean the rest. So that's it, simple as that. And in the exterior. Put it back. And we're done. I hope you learned a lot from my video. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, this is Marian Oliveros, and on this video, I will show you how to clean your electric stove. So first, you need to gather all the materials needed. We will be needing a vinegar, a baking soda, a sprinkle container, and a sponge. So first, for safety, you need to unplug your unit. Then, get the baking soda. So, sprinkle it along the area. Okay. Oh. After the baking soda, get the vinegar, put this on the container to control the use of vinegar. And then, sprayed it. So you see the reaction of baking soda into the vinegar. Okay. After that, let it sleep for a few minutes. Then, get your sponge. So you see the reaction. Get the sponge and then scrub it. All the surface that need to be clean. No, mixing baking soda and vinegar is very good for cleaning. So, and that's it. And after this, then use a damp cloth for the finishing touch to wipe it. And that's it. You'll see that your stove is very clean. Again, this is Marian Oliveros. I hope you learned a lot from my video. Thank you for watching.